Yes, friends, in last lecture we have discussed about the questions which were asked in previous examinations in concern with the elasticity chapter. We have discussed the multiple choice questions as well as the questions from first B, question number first B, which were for the weightage of 10 marks, and again the small question from question number 2 or. Now from question number 2B, in your question paper it arises from question number 2A, B, C, D, and for R it comes under the chapter elasticity. Now see question number 2B. In today we will discuss here about the problems, and question number 2B is devoted for the problem from the elasticity chapter. This question which you are able to see here is asked in October 15, 2015 for 5 marks. He says that a steel wire of 0.8 mm radius is bent to form a circle of 12 centimeter radius. What is the bending moment? See, he has been given the value of y, that is 2 into 10 raised to 12 dyne per centimeter square. Here simultaneously we will go to for the its a solution. See, as per the problem, he says that steel wire of 0.8 millimeter. 0.8 mm means we have to convert it in a centimeter. In this way, 0.08 centimeter. See, again he says that is bent to form a circle of 12 centimeter radius. 12 centimeter radius, it is R, that is a 12 centimeter. And this part is given the y, the value of y and small 2 into 10 raised to 12 dyne per centimeter square. See, the required formula for this bending moment for a circular cross section area is nothing but y into pi r raised to power 4 upon 4 r. This is the formula for solving the given problem. In this problem, the value of y is given. Pi, we can we are having a value 3.14, and r raised to power 4 means 0.08 raised to power 4 and 4r. By solving this, we will get the answer here 3.682 into 10 raised to minus 18 dyne per centimeter. This was the problem, and it having such type of answer, and by solving it you will be able to get the 5 marks. See friends, for getting the full score in problems, you have to solve a number of problems. Then and then only it will be easy to you for getting the solution for the problem. Here the problem for, he says that calculate the twisting couple on a solid shaft. The solid shaft which having a length 1.5 meter. This is a 1.5 meter diameter. A diameter is 120 mm. When it is twisted through an angle 0.6 degree, then the coefficient of rigidity for the material of the shaft is given. It is 93 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square. See friends, this type of question was asked in March, April 16 and March, April 17. This problem was repeated for 2 times. We will go for its solution in this way. First of all, keep in mind the important thing that whenever the problems are asked, at that time read it carefully, then try to convert the values of that problem in one dimension. Means it should be MKS or in CGS full dimensions. Now here he asked that to calculate the twisting couple. For calculating the twisting couple, the length is 1.5 meter and diameter 120 mm. Therefore, we have to convert the values in here. See, we will take the SI system of units or MKS. Here theta, he says that 0.6 degree. 0.6 degree is converted into 0.6 multiplied by pi by 180 radian. This is a converted factor. Length is 1.5 meter. Then diameter. What he says, diameter is 120 millimeter. We know that d by 2, diameter by 2 is nothing but a radius. And here if 120 mm is diameter, then radius will be 60 mm. Therefore here we will convert it 60 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. And the value coefficient of rigidity which is given, that is 93 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square. And see, the twisting couple having a standard formula which we have, that is pi eta r raised to power 4 into theta by 2L. This is the formula which we have discussed in theory also, derived means we have been derived it in theory article also. Now see, by putting that all values here, 3.14 into 93. What is 93 into 10 raised to 9 is nothing but the value of rigidity, and value of rigidity, then r raised to power 4 means radius, and radius we have been converted, that is 60 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here 60 into 10 raised to minus 3 the meter, and raised to power 4 multiplied by what the things points means theta, the value of theta. This is the value of theta, and divided by what 2L, 2 into L. By solving in this way, see now 3.1493 multiplied by again this factor 10 raised to minus 2 raised to 4, then this 0.6, 3.14, the value of pi we have been written, and 10 raised to 9, this much 10 raised to 9 we have been taken in this side. 1.5 into 2 are 3, and this 180 as it is. And see now a simple calculation, multiplication, and by multiplying these values here we get this much quantity divided by 540, and lastly here the twisting couple, value of twisting couple we get here 1.32039 into 10 raised to 4 Newton meter. This is the required answer by which you will get the marks for this type of problem. See friends, we will discuss another problems also by which you will be able to solve in a coming examination. But before that, some problems here which you have to work out yourself as a home assignment and submit it afterwards. Now we will take one more problem, that is a square bar. He says that a square bar of cross-sectional side is 3 centimeter, and it is nothing but breadth of that cross-sectional bar each, and of length of 40 centimeter. If length means that cross section, a square bar means in this way it having a length and breadth, and he says that the length is 40 centimeter and this breadth he says 3 centimeter. Weight 0.75 kg. It is suspended horizontally through its center. See, weight here we have to take a mass, that is a 0.75 kg, and again we have to convert it in grams. See here 75 into 10 raised to 3 grams here. It is suspended horizontally through its center by a wire of length 0.5 meter and of the cross-sectional radius 5 mm. The torsional pendulum thus formed oscillated, making 12 oscillations per minute. Means here again we have to find out the time period. Means 12 oscillations per minute means 1 minute having a 60 second, and in that concern we will find out the time period and then calculate the modulus of rigidity of the wire. This was the question asked in November 2016. See friends, he says breadth 3 centimeter, length 40 centimeter. This mass is given, and length of that wire, again another aspect, that is a 0.5 meter. We have to convert it in centimeter, and radius is given, that is 5 millimeter. Again millimeter we have to convert it in a CGS system we are considering here, and therefore time period is we have to find out, that is a 12 by 60.2 second, and what he asked, that is eta. See now, time period of a body exhibiting a torsional vibration is given by T equal to 2 pi I upon C. Here the factor, the notation I stands for moment of inertia, where C is nothing but a twisting couple. Now here we are interested to find out the moment of inertia. For that purpose, we having a mass, length, breadth, and by putting the values in this formula, here we are able to find out the moment of inertia in this way. This much quantity, 10.056 gram per centimeter square, is a moment of inertia. And as just we discussed, the formula for T equal to 2 pi root of IC, then we have been calculate time period, putting these values, and we will squaring this equation to both sides. Then what will happen? We will get the 0.2 square, 4 pi square, and this quantity will become outside of the square, root square, that is a C equal to 4 pi square, this much quantity. And for calculating the twisting couple, we having a popular formula, that is see, this formula is there. By this in this formula, the values having its own meaning, and we will put the values here. Eta, pi, r raised to power 4, in r we know, and this much quantity. Now we will compare it with above this one, the quantity getting from this and quantity getting from this. We will compare it in this way, and from which we will calculate the eta. See now, eta equal to 8 pi square into 10.056 into 0.01 and 0.05 raised to 4, and this much. By solving it, we get here the value, that is 1.97 into 10 raised to 11 dynes per centimeter. This is the value for the dynes per centimeter square for the eta. See now, here in this way, modulus of rigidity we are able to calculate. Now the remaining problems which were asked for November, December 2017 and October, November 18, we will discuss here, and by which you will be able to solve it at as a homework or as an assignment, and you have to do it. See now, I will read it. A bar 10 meter long, length is given, 2 millimeters square in cross sectional area. Cross sectional area is given, supported horizontally at its end. See now, this is the bar. This bar, he says that 10 meter long. 10 meter long. Length is given, and 2 mm square is cross sectional area. Area is 2 mm square. Supported horizontally at its end, supported in this way. Depressed 2 mm. Here is the depression, 2 mm. We can say here is the depression, delta, we can say delta 2 mm by a load 50 gram at middle. See, here is a load applied. Calculates Young's modulus of the material, Y. Calculate the Y. Value of G is given by them, that is 980 centimeter per second square. This is the value of G, and try to solve at your own. And again the next problem is see, a steel rod of circular cross section of a radius 1 centimeter is rigidly fixed at one end, and other end, which is at a distance 1 meter from the fixed end, is loaded with 8 kg. Calculate the deflection of the end. See, this is the body, nothing but a cantilever. He says that a steel rod of a circular cross section. In this way, if it is a rod circular, this end is fixed one, and force is applied, or we can say the loaded end is having 8 kg load, and by which how much quantity is deflected here we have to see. Given thing Young's modulus value, that is y into 10 raised to, or 2 into 10 raised to 12 dynes per centimeter square. And this type of problem is asked in October, November 18. See, now by this way you have to solve the maximum problems for getting the confidence for examination point of view and sake of understanding. Now from the next lecture we will start the next chapter in next time. Thank you.